What's going on, fitness for you junkies and fitness enthusiasts all around the globe? Welcome back to another episode of Fitness for You, advice for your best life. Anyway, so I got a question today from a guy named Nip the Slip 301. Can't make that up. Anyway, so Nip says to me, Ricky, I have tried everything I possibly could to build muscle. I have used every diet, I have used every workout in the book, and nothing seems to be helping. Do you have any advice for a skinny guy like me? Well, for one thing I can say, Nip, is that you have not tried every single workout, and you have not tried every single diet. Why? Because that is impossible. Not to take anything away from you, I'm pretty sure you're doing the best you can, and which is awesome. I'm happy that you're in the gym and you're working out. Now, I don't know much about you, so I really can't say much. But what I can give you is a few reasons why you're probably not building muscle. Now, you say you're a skinny guy. Okay. It's usually hard for people that are skinny to put on muscle. So one of the reasons why you're not putting on muscle is, frankly, you're not eating enough. And you're not eating enough of the right foods. Now, I get this all the time from people. They're telling me, oh, well, I eat 5 meals a day. Great, eat 6. Oh, I eat a ton of food all the time. No. You got to keep eating and eating and eating. I have personal experience with this. It is so hard for me to put on weight. But the trick is, you got to keep eating more and more and more. Let's just, for the video's sake, I don't have to get into immense detail with it. What I can say is, look, it's calories in versus calories out. If you're expending more calories than you're taking in, you're not going to build muscle. It's just simple. It's plain. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, basically, if you're expending more calories, you are going to lose weight. You're not going to gain weight. Anyway, another reason why you're probably not gaining muscle is you're not sleeping enough. Sleep is one of the most important things you could possibly do. Sleep is where we build the muscle, whether you like it or not. A lot of people have this false thing in their head where, oh, we build muscle at the gym. No, you don't build muscle at the gym. You essentially feed the muscle at the gym and tear it down. And we rebuild everything at night. So, for example, in the gym, we put a ton of blood into the muscle. We're feeding the muscle. Now we are feeding it and breaking it down. Go to sleep. It builds up. Okay, so how much sleep should you get? I would say get around 8 hours of sleep. And if you can sleep in just a little more, why not? Increase the recovery if you can. Now that's another reason why people aren't building muscle, because they're not sleeping enough. And plus, that's when your testosterone is highest, when you're asleep. That's why when you wake up in the middle of the night and you got a raging boner and you don't know what to do with it, so you just fap it out. Pardon my French, Nip Slip. Whatever your name is. Anyway, another reason why you're probably not building muscle is your workout routine isn't the greatest in the world. Why do I say that? I say that because I have gone years training the wrong way. Years ago, I used to have this, and I'm telling you why. You will not build muscle if you have the wrong regimen. I had a regimen when I was working out. Back, legs, and biceps on the same damn day. That is impossible. Your body's like, what? You know, you're destroying your back, you're destroying your legs, you're destroying your biceps, whatever. Regardless, getting ahead of myself. Anyway, your regimen should be, my opinion, you should isolate the muscle parts. If you should work out at least 2 muscles a day. Bis and tris. Back on one day. Legs on another day. Chest and shoulders on another day. But regardless, but what I'm saying is, don't overdo it to the point where your body doesn't know what to do with itself. Anyway, those are 3 reasons why you're not building muscle. I am Ricky Schick. This is Fitness for You. You know the deal. Love your mind. love your body, and love your soul. And stay happy, everybody.